welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, myself Varsha, you can find lots of lifestyle, fashion, travel and makeup kind of videos. So for such videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos. So by hitting that, you'll be getting all the notification whenever I update the videos. So I made my first vision board in the year 2023, and in this video I'll be making my new vision board for life of success of 2024. It's been a bit late guys, I know it's been already 5 months, but have done the vision board earlier. But few of you have requested me to do the vision board, how to create that. So I thought of making a video for it, and you can create vision board even with Pinterest, where you can keep in your mobile. Nor you want to see that on daily basis, you can create a board or chart kind of vision board, which I am going to create today in this video. By looking at the vision board, basically you are attracting the desired things which you wanted to have in your life. So by creating the vision board, it has been scientifically proven that when you keep on looking at the vision board on daily basis, your mind will get activated, start believing you have already achieved the things which you wanted to have in your life. So in today's video, I'll be showing how to create the vision board and what kind of mistakes you should avoid while creating the vision board. I've seen many people telling that I have created the vision board, I have manifested so and so, but have not attracted that. Why that is not been attracted in your life? Today I am leading the life what I have manifested guys. Maybe it are good or bad. Whatever things I have dreamed to have in my life, little things I have already manifested in 2023. You can see that I'll pin my dream book here. So I have manifested many things and I wanted to manifest. In this vision board, I have created for a short span of time, like 6 months span of time. It is a small vision board, not the bigger one. Bigger one I don't want to show because I believe in the negative energy also. I don't want to show it before I achieve that. After achieving that, I'll definitely do a short video at least on that, whatever I've achieved. Successful vision board, what we need to do. Let's start. Successful tips to create a vision board. For creating the vision board, think in the all aspects of your life. It may be your career, relationship, friendship, your spirituality, health, career, your love, your anything, any division of your life, all the aspects you need to think. Don't give thinking that that will not hit you, this will not hit you, nothing like that. You need to see all the aspects first. Don't limit your dreams in a time frame, like this is the limit, this is my things. Like if you're not able to afford an iPhone, you may think that this is my limit, I can only afford for Nokia or Samsung. No, write out your dreams. You take a picture and stick it. No matter whether you'll achieve or not. First thing is that dream, believe, achieve. If you're not believing in the thing what you are doing, you'll never achieve that. At the beginning only I'll tell you that. By creating a vision board, you're planning advanced for a year. Like what you need to do, what you should not do, everything you'll come to know. Most of the vision board are not getting successful only because you're not believing that, because of most of the negative thought which you have. So I have created a video on negative thoughts guys, so please go check it. It may be helpful for you or your friends, so share it with your friends also. Write your dreams in the present tense, which will help your dreams to manifest very easier and faster. So whatever you want to manifest, write it in a present tense as you have already achieved that. Thank you universe, I brought this mobile phone which cost of so and so in this color, and I'm super happy of bringing that into my life. Like in the when that things arrive in your life, how your mood will be there, how your energy will be there. When I bought the iPhone, I was super excited and I was super happy when I brought. And when I write about my iPhone also, I was super excited and I was super thrilled about that coming into my life. Same thing happened when I brought that iPhone also. So the same thing should be there. When you have that vision and that energy only, you will manifest the things very faster. You will get the image from the app called Pinterest. You can get it from the Googles or any newspaper, anywhere, whatever picture you want, like for according to your dreams, for example iPhone or a big house, I think it may be. So you can get from the sources like that. Specific in the sense, as I told you before, like when you get that things, how your happiness will be there, how you will feel that when you construct a new house as your dream, how you feel. So think in that manner. You should have that vision like that. As you have achieved already, how happy you will, like constructing each rooms, how your housewarming will be, who and all you will invite, what and all things you will do once you enter into that house, how thrilled you are. All those things you need to write, then only it will get manifested soon. So you're writing, I wanted to buy that, and you're not at all believing that, and you're not at all happy visioning that, it will not happen. So you need to believe that, dream it, believe it, then achieve it. So don't constrain your space, like don't limit it. You write whatever dreams comes to you, write it and stick it, and you start visioning that. Every day morning when you get up, look at to that board and start thinking that you already got it. How you will feel, you'll feel so happy, so like you'll feel like you'll get a double dhamaka energy. Second thing is common mistakes. You will do two common mistakes, that is lack of personalization. Personalization means you will not have that connection only to that dream. So I have written, I will manifest the iPhone in so and so period, and I don't have that connection, I don't feel that energy to what I have written, it will not happen. Like you should write, I have bought this iPhone and I'm super happy, I have shooted my video through that, I have posted my videos in my YouTube, everything I'll write in that manner, in the present tense, as I've already got that. And second mistake is lack of personal connection. After writing that, you stop thinking about that. Personal connection is like if you're dreaming about your career, about your promotion and all that things, you have written, you have sticked everything, you don't have that personal touch. What you will do if you're getting that promotion, how you will feel, and what and all things you will do after getting that promotion, you will not have that connection. It is like waste of writing that dreams in your vision chart. Third one is making the 2024 vision board. This is how I have made. Firstly, you need to have a scissor or cutter and board. You can take this kind of board, or you can use any other cardboards, that kind of things. Images, it's according to your priority, what kind of dreams you have dreamt and what to be achieved, you know, according to that you can take the images and paste it according to that, and you can write the wordings also, so that will be more connection will be there when you write that in the proper things. You can write through your hands, or the picture you will get, that pictures and all you can go and collect from the Pinterest. Even you can do digital vision board also through Pinterest. You can find lots of videos related to that, and if you want me to do a video on that, please do comments below. So I will definitely do a video on how to create a vision board in Pinterest. So yeah, you should do that, and then stick it according to the order properly, and design however you want, and keep it in the area where you can see that on daily basis. 2024 mindset. So mindset is very important, as I told before. Whatever you do, if you have negative thoughts and you don't believe in doing the things, it will not happen as soon as what you wanted to. Like you want to achieve that dreams by this time span, that things means you need to believe that and start working on that. Manifestation journey is nothing but what you believe. You are the director and creator of your life. So what you want to create in your life, you can decide that, and you need to start living the life according to that. That mindset only will bring you the things where you want to reach. So today I am living the life according to what I have manifested. That may be bad or good. So after knowing these things, I have changed a lot of things in my life. I started doing and I started working according to that things. So yeah, you should have the proper and positive mindset. You need to believe and you need to do the proper practice. You should have that consistency in doing the things. It may be going to gym or taking a good diet. It may be doing small things. You will start and you will end up with doing big things. Do a small manifestation things, not at the beginning only you think within 6 months I need to achieve this. It may not happen, and don't think that have written, have done everything what they have told, but it has not happened. You should work for that. Definitely that will, universe will bring that things to you. So hope this video was helpful for each and everyone who have watched this. Please share this video with your friends also, so they also may have the knowledge about this. So until next time, see you, tada, bye bye.